As you well know, Dayton and Trotwood were hit with a devastating tornado.
Hi, Ed Bressler, General Manager of Evans Arena, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. And we've been working real hard to bring the dealership back up to par. And as I told you before, we were going to do it, and we have. And I'm happy to announce for you, the customer, that our dealership will have a grand reopening December 5th. And you and your friends and your friends' friends and customers and past customers, you are all invited to come and join us as we celebrate this grand reopening. I definitely want to give a big shout out to Trotwood and the city and the community. It has supported us throughout this whole ordeal. And of course, we have hired a lot of local people to work here at the dealership, and we're going to continue to do so as we move forward to this grand reopening. The best part about our dealership being open again is that we get a chance to serve you, the customer, in the community. To learn more about how you can be a part of it, please visit us at evansarena.com.